What's up, dear viewers? In this video, I will show you how to import data from Excel spreadsheet into Autocad. I will also show you how to create a link table where you can edit the data and it will automatically update in Autocad. You can edit the data in Excel spreadsheet and the data will be automatically updated. The steps are quite simple. The first step is just select your table, the range of your table. That is the rows and the columns in Excel. Right click and copy, or you can just press Ctrl plus C, and then you go to Autocad, you go to home, and then on the far right you can see paste. Select paste, and then you want to paste special. To paste the data, you can just paste as Autocad entities. Now here the data, you can just select the table, right click, or just type explode. If you're not going to be needing the Excel spreadsheet anymore and you're just going to edit here in Autocad, you can just explode. Click explode. Now you can see now this just Autocad table. To change the text, you can just select. Now, if you want to select, maybe you're trying to edit the text, you realize you can't change some things like color. It's not going to change. You also need to explode the text, so select similar, then type explode and ignore. Okay, all the text is exploded. You can now select similar, then you can just change the color just like that. To import and link table, to create a link table, you just need to repeat the same process. Select the range of your table and then copy. Right click, copy, or Ctrl plus C. Then go to Autocad. You need to use paste special and then paste link, then Autocad entities, and then click OK. Then you can just drag, expand, contract here. Okay, you can just change the size of your text. Right select and then right click, properties. I want to change text height. Let's say 4. Text height from 2. That is cell height. My text height is from 2.8 to, let's say, 4. Okay. Now I can just change the data. I just want the data to be visible. For example, here this is a schedule schedule. I have the allowable. Maybe I want to change the allowable from 200 to let's say 160, and then the shear at fire treatment wall from 218 to 250. Now Before you can click and update the table, because you need to just select the table, right click and update. But you have to save this. You have to save these changes. So we can add more changes, like you can add just a few more changes here. You can just change this one from caps lock to capital and small letter. Or just allowable, just small, and then go to file. You have to save. Now, after you save, you can just come right click and then let's first check. You can see the allowable here is all caps lock, and here is the data is a bit different. So we can just right click, then update table. So it's updating. You can see down here, and you can see the allowable is now caps lock, the first letter and the small letter, 160, and then 250. So that's how you can create a table, import a table from Excel spreadsheet to Autocad, and create a linked table. Now, that marks the end of my video. If you like, subscribe. I will see you in the next video.